Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in men's casual dress shoes, the Bruno Marc men's casual dress Oxfords. These shoes blend business formality with casual comfort, making them a standout choice for any wardrobe. Let's get into the details. At first glance, the Bruno Marc men's casual dress Oxfords exude a classic yet modern vibe. Available in sleek black, they feature a lace-up closure that not only provides a customizable fit but also adds a touch of refinement to any outfit. Whether you're heading to the office or out for a casual evening, these shoes effortlessly elevate your style. Crafted from premium synthetic leather, these Oxfords are designed with both style and comfort in mind. The perforated detailing enhances breathability, keeping your feet cool and comfortable throughout the day. The shoes also boast a durable TPR outsole, offering enhanced stability and shock absorption, ensuring you stay confident with every step. Inside, you'll find cushioned insoles made from soft, resilient cotton. Paired with a ventilated lining, these insoles provide exceptional support and comfort, making these shoes not only stylish but also a pleasure to wear. One of the standout features of these Oxfords is their versatility. Whether you pair them with jeans for a casual look or dress pants for a more formal occasion, they seamlessly transition between different styles, making them a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Durability is key when it comes to footwear, and the Bruno Marc Oxfords deliver. With their high-quality construction and attention to detail, these shoes are built to last, offering long-term wear without compromising on style or comfort. In conclusion, the Bruno Marc men's casual dress Oxfords are a stellar choice for anyone looking to combine style, comfort, and durability in their footwear. Whether you're stepping into the boardroom or enjoying a night out, these shoes have you covered. If you're in the market for versatile, stylish Oxfords that won't break the bank, definitely consider adding these to your collection. That wraps up our review of the Bruno Marc men's casual dress Oxfords. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Also, let us know in the comments below what you think of these shoes or if there are any other products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.